What's up guys, it's Nkati, founder of Zar's Trade. I wanted to do a quick video to show you a trade that I took recently. It's going to be really simple and I want to show you I'm still in the trade, but I'll show you exactly the process of how I went in that trade and what's important to think about for those type of trade. So those are my favorite setup and I'll show you exactly how. Now the thing I consider the most on that trade is that I first have to look at price action. Okay, that's the biggest part of it. And what you'll see is that price here on CAD CHF was moving up, so we're in an uptrend. Okay, so that's the first thing I'll look at. Okay, so we had this strong uptrend. And then at this, I'll just go here. At this point, we started to consolidate a little bit. Okay, we broke above this high. And then we went all the way back up again, broke above. Okay, so the trend was pretty strong at that point. Now what's interesting is that we had this next consolidation right here, but instead of just consolidating and going up above, we had this double top. So one first top, second top, and then the second top was with a news announcement. Okay, so right here. And when the news announcement came out, we had this strong push to the downside. Okay, so someone entering here only with price action, only with the engulfing candle, wouldn't see this, would be stuck because they didn't think about the whole news that was planned. So that's really important to not be in the trade when you have some news like this, because you could have some volatility. And then after that news, we had this strong push to the downside. Now this is coordinating with one of my favorite type of trade, the Bollinger Band reversals. So with the Bollinger Band that I had here, I just had to put my entry below the candlestick, stop loss just above the high here, and then take profit at 2-to-1, or here it's even 3-to-1. And I'll show you why it's 3-to-1, because this is a multiple time frame trade. I'm entering on a forward chart, and I'm placing the take profit on the daily chart. Okay, so my take profit is only like here to this next support resistance zone. Okay, so I want to make sure that I get out before that zone, but I can set my stop loss on a lower time frame. So instead of having this huge stop loss from like this huge stop loss here, I'm only having a smaller stop loss. Okay, only about here, and even maybe less than that. So that gives me like a 3-to-1 reward to risk. Okay, so I want to really reiterate this, that if you're not doing multi-time frame, you could really multiply your profit with that. It's of course a little bit more risky sometimes, but you can get more profit, and that's the goal. Now, I just exited part of that trade. I think a third of that trade a couple of hours ago. Now I'm at break even with the stop loss. So I'll leave it open until we reach that point. So that's a quick trade for today. I hope this is valuable. If you have any question on this setup, let me know. Check out the Facebook group at desartotrade.com/group, and I'll see you pretty soon. Ciao.